Niggas be broken, be starving, but still talking shit like they ballin'. They say that they honest, talk money, these niggas gon' say that they got it. Getting out with the kid is success, and these niggas gon' blame it on college. They don't wanna see you win, they don't wanna see the race. You don't wanna see a bitch caught up in the stars like she out of space. Mention at the condo at the mention, and I'm running out of space. Tell your homie, keep on coming out his mouth, sending something around his way. Niggas barely getting lawyer money, better get some sick soy money. Running around like you Superman, don't be selfish, get your mom insurance money. Woo! Cause I'm the one to put it on your money. I'm the one to make it happen to you niggas. What you fucking ran the door for me?
Hop in the red, then I bought it, it's Liddy again. Fly out a bit from the tropic and Liddy again. All of my partners is poppin', you know that we Liddy again. All of the fours on college, you know that we Liddy again. They don't wanna see the squad, they don't wanna see the rain. They don't wanna see a bitch up in the stars like she going out of space. Liddy again, I got it, we Liddy again. Liddy again, I got it, we did it, we Liddy again. Feature money out of safe, went and bought a Ray, brought it on college. Niggas talking like they want it when we in the city, they don't want problems. Niggas say they gon' rob us, but nigga, we coming for welfare. I shoot a bullet when I pull it, how you catch a bullet like an NFL player? Should've known it was Liddy when bitches don't lying on my dick. Lie on they pussy like I hit, can't even be a side bitch. I'm in 9s, 10s, and you ain't even looking like you a 5. Bro, bitches tryna do it for Twitter when they used to do it for viral. I'm the man of the hour, I'm the nigga with the airtime. Rolls Royce Ray, put your bitch up in the stars like she in the airline. Niggas talk about my hairline, I laugh about it, I be feeling them. See, we be both making M's, they be making memes, I be making millions. I just counted up a Quinn Miller, a QM, that's a $250,000. They don't wanna see Jay drop 6 flying private when he go to Philly. Funny money, yeah, I know it's silly, but your whole feel me when I pull up and I gotta pour a hole for her. I promise she gon' know it's Liddy, motherfucker. Yeah. Hop in the red, then I bought it, it's Liddy again. Fly out a bit from the tropic and Liddy again. All of my partners is poppin', you know that we Liddy again. All of the fours on college, you know that we Liddy again. They don't wanna see the squad, they don't wanna see the rain. They don't wanna see a bitch up in the stars like she going out of space.